Hello everyone, welcome back to the Crafty channel. In today's video, we'll be learning how to cut and sew a pencil skirt with slits at the back and a zipper at the back. And also I'll be adding waistband and a lining. I'll line the whole skirt. So I'll be showing you how to do that. So if this is your first time of viewing this channel, you are highly welcome. Kindly subscribe to this amazing family and also turn on the notification bell to be the first to be updated whenever and anytime I upload a new tutorial. Also like and share my videos to your family and friends to help grow this channel. And also I would like to say a big thank you to my returning subscribers for always coming back to watch my videos. I say a big thank you and I love you all. So without further ado, let's get on with the video. So in front of me on the table, I have the pattern drafted down already. If you want to know how to draft this pattern, please go and check it out on my channel. I have it there. And also, I'll be leaving the link down the description box and also on the comment section so that you can go and watch and have more understanding how to draft it. So I have with me the patterns for the skirt. This is the front panel and this is the back panel. And the back panel has a zipper allowance here, and this is for the zip and this is for the slit. I'll be cutting the front panel on fold, and the back one is going to be 2 pieces. So let me do that and come back and show you. So now I'm done cutting out the fabric. This is the band. The waist I'm working with is 27 inches and I cut the band 29 inches because of the overlap at the back. So this is the band. I'll be ironing interfacing on just one side of the band. So the skirt length I'm working with is 37 inches. So what I did, I have to reduce the pattern to 37 inches. So this is the front panel. I cut it on fold. I cut one piece for the lining and then one piece for the main fabric. This is the main fabric for the front panel and this is the lining. I cut it also on fold. And I transfer that on both the main fabric and also on the lining. I cut out 2 pieces for the back and transfer the zip line, and then I transfer also the darts. This is the main fabric and this is the darts and this is the zipper line, and also I cut out the lining for the back, but I'll be showing you later how to attach the lining to the back panel. And the lining also is 2 pieces. So we are going to focus on the front panel. So what we are going to do now is to hold the darts for the front, for the main fabric, and also hold the darts for the lining. And after holding the darts like this, you sew the darts like this, you sew this one also, and you do the same thing to the main fabric. After holding the darts, the next thing is you are going to open the fabric, and then this is the right side of the fabric and this is the wrong side of the fabric. So you place the right side of the lining on top of the right side of the fabric. And what you are going to do after holding the darts is to hold the 2 like so and then sew down the hemline. After sewing, you turn it inside out and stop stitch on the lining, not on the main fabric. So I'll go and do just that and come back and show you the next thing to do. So guys, I'm done holding the darts for the main fabric and then the lining. And also I went ahead and attached the lining on the hemline to the main fabric. Then after attaching it, I top stitch on the lining. And then I gave it a good press and then fold about a little bit, half an inch inwards, so that the lining will not be showing on the edges. Anytime you are sewing, make sure that every step you iron your work neatly. Sewing always depends on ironing That gives the fabric neat finishing. So let's go on and sew the back panel. So this is the back panel. It's 2 pieces. So what I'm going to do now is to sew from this line up to the slit line. So here I left 8 inches for the zipper, and then the slits I did almost 17 inches. You can go up more if you want. It depends on how you want your back to be exposed. So what I'm going to do now is to align, put the right side facing the right side like so. Then I sew from here to where the slit ends. And when I sew here, I will reverse the stitch here, and also when I get to the slit line here, I will reverse the stitch here also. And then I'll go ahead and hold the darts, and also hold the dart for the back line, and I'll be back to show you the next step. So I've joined the center of the back. This is the zipper line. I left the zipper side open, and then I left the slit also open. After ironing it flat, this is 1.5 inch for the zipper allowance. So I cut the lining from this end up to the side. So let me pin it for you to get how I cut it. So let me pin this side first. So this is how I pin it. You see, this is a zipper line, and the lining is not showing here. And also when you wear it, the lining will not be showing out. So this is how I pin it. I pin it from this edge of the main skirt up to the end. So when you are going to sew it, you start sewing from here all the way to the hemline. But before you reach the hemline, like 2 inches, you stop there and then sew the hemline. Attach the lining and the main fabric, sew it, top stitch on the lining, and then before you cross this gap, I'll come and show you how to do it. So I did the same to this other side. So I'll be taking it to the machine and sew it and come back. I've sewn it, I've attached it. So how to sew the hemline. So you see this line, you notch it like this, and then you see this, you can see that the pink is shorter than, after, if there's any extra fabric, you cut it out. So what you are going to do now is, you see this notch here, you turn it inside out like this and face it, and then sew it. After sewing it, you top stitch on the lining, and you are going to do the same to this other side. Sew it to the end, and if there's any excess after ironing it, you trim it off. So I'm going to do just that, iron it, give it a good press, and come and show you the next step to take. So you see how neat this our back is looking. The back is very nice, and you see the zipper allowance. This is a zipper, and then this is the slit for the back, and this is the lining. You see how neat it looks. You see how I did the tongue. So this is our back. Next, we'll be shaping the skirt. To do that, I'll be placing the front piece on the back piece. To do that, I'll be placing the good side of the front piece to the good side of the back piece. So this is it. And you can remember I left 1 inch for the side seam allowance. So with this 1 inch, I want all these seams, all these edges to hide inside, so that the skirt inside will look very neat. So what I'll do is to use that 1 inch, I'll hold the lining together. Pay attention here. You see where the lining ends? You align the lining together on the bottom of the skirt. Then you join it on the side with the 1-inch seam allowance I added. So this is it. From the top of the skirt, you start joining it with 1 inch. You measure 1 inch all the way to the bottom, and then you come to the lining. You continue like so to the top of the back. You see, lining together and then the main fabric together. So when you sew it all around, then you go to the other side and then you do the same thing to the other side of the back. I'll go and do that and come and show you. So you see how nice the shape look after joining the sides. This is the inside of the skirt. You see the sides, very neat. So let me turn it to the good side for you to see. This is the right side of the skirt. So this is it. Don't forget that I'm making a high waist skirt. So this is the back side of the skirt, and this is the zipper side, and I'll be fixing the zip here. And then this is the slit. The slit, it depends on how long you want it. Look how inside is very neat. Our pencil skirt is almost ready. After fixing the zip, I'll go ahead and attach the waistband. I'll be fixing it the good side of the band facing the wrong side of the skirt inside, and then I'll be leaving about 1 inch here to stitch and turn it out. So I'll fix it all around the waist. Then after, I will turn it to the good side like this. Then I'll top stitch it. So I'll go ahead and fix the zip and also attach the band and come and show you the finishing look. So guys, this is it. We have come to the end of this tutorial. This is the front of the skirt, and it's looking very beautiful and nice, very neat. And this is the back of the skirt. This is the zipper. This is the back slit. You see how neat inside look. This is the slit. You can choose to fix button here, or you use hook and eye at the back. So this is it. So guys, if you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a thumbs up, share to your families and friends, and also subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.